Next video we're going to do is Marco Polo. Put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of these coming up. All the description for the airdrop link bot should be down below in your description box. We're going to start this. We're going to click start on the bot. Pick English or whatever you speak. And it wants the answer to this. They could have any equation on here. And hit start tasks. First thing it asks you to do is to join their Telegram group. So join their group. Then go back to the bot. Hit next step. It says join our channel. Join the channel. Go back to the bot. Hit next step. Follow on Twitter. Oops. Hit open on Twitter. Hit follow. Put that down. Click on balance. Just check out the Twitter link one more time. Follow on Twitter one more time here. Plug our name in. See what happens. Oh, there we go. Then wants you to retweet this post. So like and retweet. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Twitter on your desktop. You're going to go to your home. Then you're going to click on you down here. You're going to go down to the one that you just retweeted. And then you're going to go up to the top. You're going to copy that link up at the top in your ULR. Then you're going to bring this down and paste that into there. Then you're going to register and download on Google Play this. I don't know if we can download this on here. You got to do it on your phone. Please open the link using your mobile phone. So open up your phone, and you can register this right on Google Play. I'm installing it right now. So it's downloaded, so pop up the bot again, go back into here. It wants the name that you put in, so you're going to put that in, that you use to register on your phone now. So do that, and go forward. Next, it's going to tell you to set a multi-chain wallet. Once you get it downloaded, it might take a couple minutes. And then put in a password and confirm the password. Then it's going to ask you to set your password and your phrase. You're going to go through a little bit of stuff. And then you'll go to map, which is the coin. You'll click on that. You're going to go hit receive. And the receiver address is the address you want. You do not want your private keys. You want the receiving address to put in. So put in your receiving address into here. So then you're going to copy and paste your receiving address into this. You're going to click on there. Then you can follow on Facebook, I think. But you can check your balance right here. This one was probably one of the more difficult airdrops. But like the video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you got your passphrase. Make sure you got your keys. And copy those down. And that's the end of the video, and we'll be off to the next one.